Penetration testing, what is it? Process and tools used. Penetration testing, often referred to as pen testing, is a proactive security assessment technique used to evaluate the security of a computer system, network, application, or organization. The primary goal of penetration testing is to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses that could be exploited by attackers, and then provide recommendations to mitigate these risks. Penetration testing helps organizations identify and address security issues before malicious hackers can take advantage of them. The process of penetration testing typically involves the following steps. Planning and scoping. 1. Define the scope of the test, including the target systems, applications, and networks to be tested. 2. Determine the testing methods and techniques to be used. 3. Establish rules of engagement, including what actions are allowed and what should be avoided. Reconnaissance. 1. Gather information about the target, such as IP addresses, domain names, employee names, and other publicly available data. 2. This phase helps testers understand the potential entry points and vulnerabilities. Vulnerability assessment. 1. Use automated tools and manual techniques to identify vulnerabilities in the target systems and applications. 2. These vulnerabilities could include outdated software, misconfigured settings, or other weaknesses. Exploitation. 1. Attempt to exploit the identified vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access or control over the target systems. 2. This step helps validate the severity of vulnerabilities and potential impact on the organization. Post-exploitation. 1. If successful, testers may attempt to move laterally within the network, escalating privileges to gain access to sensitive data or systems. 2. The goal is to simulate what a real attacker might do after gaining initial access. Analysis and reporting. 1. Document the findings, including the vulnerabilities identified, the methods used to exploit them, and the potential impact on the organization. 2. Provide recommendations for mitigating the identified vulnerabilities. 3. Classify vulnerabilities based on their severity to prioritize remediation efforts. Remediation and follow-up. 1. Work with the organization to address and fix the identified vulnerabilities. 2. Verify that the fixes are effective and retest the systems to ensure they are secure. 3. Provide feedback and guidance on the effectiveness of the remediation efforts. Penetration testers use a variety of tools during each phase of the testing process. Some common tools include 1. Nmap, a network scanning tool used for discovering hosts and services on a network. 2. Metasploit, a framework for developing, testing, and executing exploit code against a remote target. 3. Burp Suite, a web vulnerability scanner and proxy tool for testing web applications. 4. Nessus, a widely used vulnerability scanner that identifies vulnerabilities in networks, systems, and applications. 5. Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer for capturing and analyzing network traffic. 6. Hydra, a fast and flexible password cracking tool for various network protocols. 7. Kali Linux, a popular Linux distribution designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking, preloaded with various tools. It's important to note that penetration testing should always be conducted in a controlled and ethical manner, with proper authorization from the organization being tested. The goal is to improve security, not cause harm or disruption. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.